There is basically no way around this book. It has been prominently featured on pretty much every outlet that ever so slightly talks about productivity or self-improvement, and rightfully so. At its core, Atomic Habits wants to tackle what each and every one of us is struggling with: procrastination and being disciplined with the habits we want to form. The book has sold over 9 million copies worldwide since its release in 2018, and its author, James Clear, tours the globe as a keynote speaker focused on habits, decision-making, and continuous improvement. If you're a subscriber to this channel, you will know that yours truly already made a whole video about Atomic Habits, which I talk about its core ideas and how to use them to create a reading routine. If you're new, you can check out the video over here. Atomic Habits is very intelligent in its approach to forming habits. It starts off by giving you very compelling reasons to maintain good habits and get rid of bad ones. It relieves you of the pressure to having to perform Herculean tasks from the get-go. Just incremental improvements of 1% every day can result in astonishing compounding results down the line, James Clear writes. It looks at the issues we as humans are prone to have when forming new habits from every angle, dissects every step involved on the way, and gets rid of clutter and friction where necessary. It explains its reasoning behind each step with well-researched scientific data as well as actionable and real-life examples, constructed of bite-sized chapters, each with simple takeaways and a summary at the end. Makes this book very accessible and easy to read. There is no way around it. Atomic Habits absolutely deserves the full 5 stars, as it's one of the very few non-fiction books which truly are life-changing. If you want to form any new habit, whether that's working out again or learning to play the guitar, I would recommend you to pick up this book. It's pretty much worth a read for everyone out there. Or you just watch my summary. For more book reviews, check out this playlist right here. Thank you and see you next time. Ciao.